Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over s minus number 2 and b over s plus number 4. Now we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s plus number 4, so capital 8 multiplied by s plus number 4. About this one, it is missing about s minus number 2, so capital B multiplied by s minus number 2. Now we need to expand. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of S. About S, we have A and B. About the numbers, we have 4, 8 minus 2b. Now, we need to compare coefficients. So, we have 3s, that means a plus b equals to number 3. So, we don't have the numbers in here, that is about number 0. And that is about 4a minus 2b equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of 8 and b. So 8 equals to number 1, b equals to number 2. And now we put 8 and b go in here. So 8 equals to number 1, b equals to number 2, and now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.